Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Dollar Tree massive haul part 3, girl. So this one's actually way bigger because this was one trip and I just kind of wanted to keep it together. This was like a newer Dollar Tree that they just added in place of a 99-cent store. So 99-cent store was way bigger, and this location they had to like fill up with things. So girl, they had so many good products, and it was probably the biggest Dollar Tree I've seen yet. So if you want to see the products that I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. So let's just get the more like random product out of the way. I picked up this cute little gingerbread man. I know it's like super early, but it's just so cute. And I know like once Christmas hits, girl, this is not going to be available any longer. So I bought this cute little gingerbread man. How cute is he? And it's just a little decoration to put alongside my tree once that time comes. It was so cute, and it was just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was adorable. So I went ahead and picked him up. He is adorable, girl. I picked up 2 of the Smart Care facial tissues from the Barbie situation, girl. You guys know this is like my favorite tissue box, so when I see it, I grab it. It's a little like beat up a little bit, but girl, I go through these a lot. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. The other ones are already in use, but girl, these are so good. I also have some more Arm & Hammer products. Yeah, Arm & Hammer. We have the Arm & Hammer Essentials Ultra Replenishing Body Wash, which I've actually never tried. This is a product that I've like been in love with, but I'm really happy to try this. Let me know in the comments what's going on with Arm & Hammer products. Are you loving them? Are you hating them? Let me know. But I really much enjoyed their hand wash, so I wanted to try their body wash. And this one here is in clean water, and it's ginormous, so we're gonna see how this works. And before we get into the hand soap, I also did buy the Spa Luxury Everlasting Love body wash, and this is actually one that I literally just talked about in an empties a couple minutes ago, girl. So yes, I did go ahead and repurchase this, and it's so good. It smells amazing. So I have 2 body washes now. And then lastly, we have the Arm & Hammer Essentials Liquid Hand Soap, and this is the one in Gentle Rose Water, which I haven't tried. I have tried their like lemon one and their like clean water one, but I haven't tried the rose one. So yes, this is so good, girl. You can never have enough hand soap. It just goes like water, girl, because you have to wash your hands all the time, so they run out really fast. So yeah, love this. Can't wait to try it in this scent. You go ahead and open and smell it in store, just kind of like to see, and it smells so good. So love. My body care is overflowing, girl. I also did go ahead and repurchase the Wylers Light Pink Lemonade little lemonade packs. These are so good, especially when I can't drink like cold products or whatever because of being sick. I like to pop in something extra because, girl, I cannot drink water without it being cold. I don't know why, but yeah, unless it has like something in it. So I love buying these just in case. I also just love the flavor as well, and each little pack is 10 calories, so pretty good. So I literally just filmed my what's in my bag, and I just mentioned this product because I literally use it all the time. This is the Jot Activity crayon box, and it was $1.25 as everything else in this video, and I went ahead and repurchased it in a purple shade because these are actually really good. It's a crayon box, but I love using it for just essentials for my purse. So when I do like my purple purse, I like to like match all my products. So this is gonna be perfect, and it's so cute. So I did go ahead and buy this as well. It was like a repurchase, but just in a different shade, girl. I did go ahead and buy more of these stickers because October's coming, and these are just perfect to like pass out at work or whatever if I want to pop one on for myself. It's just so cute. These are like the little breast cancer awareness stickers with little gems. So these are breast cancer awareness gem stickers, basically the name. These are so cute. So I did go ahead and buy a pack of those. It was actually the only pack they had. I also bought the Perfect Puzzles word search because it just looks so good. I need to get back into my word searches, girl, because they're really fun to do. So yeah, I went ahead and bought this. It just looks so cute, so I went ahead and bought one of those. I also saw this beautiful purple bag, and honestly it's gonna go really well with that little organizer that I just mentioned in a purse or something. So it's just a like velvet bag, like a makeup bag. So this is a cosmetic bag, was $125 the most beautiful purple tone. This is definitely giving me brat vibes. I could even use this as like an essentials for my car, because you guys know it's like brat vibes. Girl, how many times do I say vibes? Take a shot every time I say vibes. So yeah, so cute. Definitely goes with the aesthetic, so definitely love. And on the inside, you got quite a bit of space. So also went a little ham in the sock department. This is a Disney Minnie Mouse 9 through 11 size little socks, because they had some like Halloween socks, girl. So this is again Minnie Mouse Halloween vibes. Isn't that so adorable? So I had to pick this up, girl. These are so cute. I also came across these Barbie Halloween socks, and I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. Little bats. It says Barbie. Barbie's in purple, orange, all the shades. This is adorable. How cute. We also have some Betty Boop socks as well, giving very much Halloween-y vibes. So I went ahead and grabbed these. And lastly, for socks, I went ahead and bought these. If you guys saw my Dollar Tree walkthrough, you guys saw, I was like, girl, I should have grabbed those. And I went ahead and grabbed them. These are the seasonal collection low cut socks, and these are the 5 through 9 fit shoe sizes, so I hope they fit me. But these are $125 again, but they're giving me very much Beetlejuice vibes, so I went ahead and bought these as well. They look so cozy too. All right, now we can get into the beauty products. I went ahead and bought the Be Pure Hot and Cold eye pads. You guys know I always buy these and I never use them, but girl, these are super inexpensive, and I just love the print. It's giving me very much Y2K vibes with the little flowers. Little happy faces are so cute. So I went ahead and bought a pack of those. Let's get in here, grab them. Ooh, they're just like jelly packs, so you can pop these in your skincare fridge, in your regular fridge, or whatever. If you want them to be heated, you can pop them in, I believe, the microwave. Yeah, microwave, or you can pop them in hot water. So these are so cute. So cute. I cannot leave this behind, girl. Went ahead and bought one pair of lashes for some reason. Very random. But this is LA Colors Dramati Lash 3D Faux Mink Wispy Lashes in the shade and the style Dazzle, which I believe I already have, but who knows. So cute. The style is stunning. I also came across the, who is this from? Global Beauty Care Lip Oil. This is the one in Juicy Watermelon, and it is fruity scented, and it has a juicy shine. Like, they didn't have a lot of makeup things. Like, they had a lot of the older products, but nothing new. I just dropped it. There's a close-up look at that. How cute. It doesn't have the brand on the actual product. Oh, cute. Okay. I don't get any scent from this, but okay. Still cute. It's so random, but I actually told my boyfriend to hold this, and he ended up buying it, girl. I didn't even notice until I was looking at the bag. This is a Color Workshop Spring On eyeshadow, because I could have sworn I thought I was going to find more products from this line, and it was just a shadow. So I'm just going to keep it in the packaging. I'm going to take it to work because I don't think I'm going to use this at all. But again, super inexpensive, so it's fine. But the actual shade is really pretty. I just know I'm not going to use it, girl. I have the Blistex Lip Medics Relieves Sore Lips and Restores Moisture Balance little lip balm. Let me know if you've tried this. I've never tried this in my life. I always see it, but I just never pick it up. So I went ahead and grabbed it because, like, let's see if it works for my lips. You guys know my lips are rather dry at night, especially. So I was thinking I can use this as a overnight lip mask or something. Ooh. Oh wow. Pretty strong. It smells really good though. This one just seems more intense than just like a chapstick. So interesting. So I'll definitely have to try this out and see my thoughts. Lastly, I did go ahead and find a bunch of new skincare. So that's actually the thing that I found. Makeup was very normal vibes. They had a lot of the normal essential things that they always have. But I came across the Rich Radiance skincare line. And this is the Oat Milk and Honey Cream Cleanser with ceramides. I just read the bottom part, girl. For melanin rich skin. Well, I didn't notice that, but I did go ahead and pick that up. I need to start reading things, okay? We have the Rich Radiant Skincare Mango and Shea Butter Moisturizer with vitamin E Again, I love that they actually did come out with this line. Really cool. And then we have the Rich Radiance Coconut and Sweet Almond Glow Oil with vitamin C. But again, these are all melanin rich skin products, which I did not notice. I need to start again reading things and see our thoughts. But please let me know, have you tried this? What's going on? There's a look at the Glow Oil. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and smell it. I just am intrigued. Girl, this has like no scent at all. Zero fragrance. Okay, girl. Open this one. I want to be more careful because last time I literally sliced my finger. So we're being a little more mindful when opening things. All right. There's a look at the moisturizer. Ooh. Again, these are not fragranced at all. So if you're allergic, if you are sensitive to scents or fragrances, I think you're really going to love this line. So there's a moisturizer, the glow oil, and then again, the cleanser. So cute. Lastly, we have a couple of products from Global Beauty Care, which just looked so intriguing. I know there's a high-end brand that has a similar packaging. I just can't remember which one that is. This is a Global Beauty Care Balancing Toner Mist. I love that it comes in a mist because it's going to be so much easier to apply. So I went ahead and bought this. We're going to see how that works. We also have the Global Beauty Care Cleansing Daily Face Wash, which is, look at this packaging, is so cute, so in the moment with the times, you know, like they usually the skincare is very neutral moments, like nothing special, but I love this like new packaging that they're coming out with. We also have the Global Beauty Care Moisturizing Daily Gel Face Lotion. So cute. Again, let's get in here. More mindful with my box cutter. Ooh, okay, girl. Moisturizing face lotion. Okay. Again, they are no longer putting fragrance in products now that I've noticed from Dollar Tree. So I cannot wait to try these products out. Let me know, have you tried them? Let me know in the comments down below what's going on. What's your favorite product from today's haul? Don't forget, I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is going to be down below, and I also did post 2 other Dollar Tree hauls, I believe, this week as well. So definitely check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.